morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday morning of a long weekend, so we are at home right now. We ran to the grocery store, grabbed some stuff to make nice sandwiches, and we're gonna meet Jamie's brother and his kids at the park for a little play date and picnic lunch. Claire's eating her breakfast right now. Is it good? I found her in the back hall, just dancing and eating a cheese bun. Yeah, you gonna dance? Can you show us your dance moves? Can you dance for us? Dance. No, okay. I'm just trying to get the cooler out of the closet. There's just lots of boxes on it. And doing some laundry while Jamie preps lunch.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings. Staring at the sea and what was left of me. Found out, they tried to shout, but when in doubt.
We are back from our busy day of picnicking and going to a little fair at the park across from us. It was nice to see Jamie's brother and his sons again. We haven't seen them for a little bit, so that was nice to have a visit. But yeah, we're having some dinner and watching a movie at the same time because that's just what we feel like doing tonight. So we are watching Kung Fu Panda 2. Claire's got her dinner here. And Jamie is making us some nachos over there. So, do you like having dinner and a movie? Yeah. Yeah. Eat your dinner. So yeah, that's what we're up to tonight. It was pretty hot out there today, so we're just making sure that we're getting some fluids in and enjoying the air conditioning right now because, whew, it was a hot one.
Oh. You side, Clara. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. It's Monday morning. Clara and I are sitting here with Stitch, watching Stitch. Yeah. We're watching Lilo and Stitch, the TV series. Hi. Hi. Did you have a good sleep last night? Yeah, once you fell asleep? It took Clara 2 hours to fall asleep last night. We put her to bed at 7, and at like 8:45 we had to bring her back out because she was just in there rolling around and playing. I think it's because she wasn't wearing her sleep sack, and she's used to wearing those, and she was rolling around and didn't want to go to sleep, right? We only have one right now because the other one she was using doesn't fit anymore. So we'll have to order another one.
What? Oh my gosh, is that today?
Yeah.
No.
That's a big yawn.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's Stitch doing?
Yes, sometime later.
Jamie's making some breakfast and gonna come join us in a little bit. Clara's kind of just wanting him this morning. And hi, you. Hi. Yeah. We're in the car right now on our way to a mystery destination. Jamie's planned a little day trip for us.
Fires glow, sparks flying through my heart, and I just wait for you. Flying top down, destination in California. I wanna feel the warm breeze, but I'll wait for you and see. Oh, cozy like a cup of tea, and I want you to hold me. Oh, with you I want to be in coffee shops, on tire swings, and road trips to California. I guess that I've been playing with fire. It was about time that I got burned. Even though I try, I don't think that it's fair. Cozy like a cup of tea, and I want you to hold me. Oh, with you I want to be in coffee shops, on tire swings, and road trips to California. Cold hands, warm heart, so light up close to me, so I can see that you were made perfectly, and we can walk down the boulevard of California.
We are back from the beach now. It was a lot of fun. Clara really liked the water. Yeah. We went into town and just kind of walked down the little strip. They were having like a sidewalk sale, so it wasn't the most stroller friendly place to be. And then we went to just a small little brewery in town and had a beer, and then we left. So yeah, we're home now. We're just gonna hang out, keep cool. Clara didn't nap on the way there, but she had like a 25-minute nap on the way home, so she'll need another nap shortly. Just gonna give her her smoothie and some cookie, and she'll probably fall asleep for like 2 hours this afternoon. And I think Jamie and I will just hang around here. He'll probably want to play some video games, and I don't really know what I'll get up to. Maybe try to edit a video. Okay, cheers. Claire's having a bit of pre-dinner before dinner. We got some pickles, some cheese, some salami, and some pasta salad. She's refusing to really eat in her high chair anymore, so we're just trying to get her more used to eating at the table. These mats are nice because then she can't really stab the table, which she usually tries to do if it falls out of the bowl. Jamie is going to make us some very delicious chicken sandwiches. They're just in the oven right now. Just kind of lost track of time. We were watching an ancient Egypt show about tombs, mummies. What?
That was good. Very well done.
What else would an ancient Egyptian show be about? So yeah, we're just trying to put together a quick dinner here and get Clara fed. She suddenly woke up very hungry, so yeah. And we are out of the high chair, just sitting in the regular chair because we refuse to sit in the high chair for more than 5 minutes at a time. Yeah, you don't want to sit in the high chair anymore. We've got some broccoli salad and this delicious barbecue chicken sandwich on a cheese bun for dinner. Claire's having some chicken too, drinking her watered down orange juice. Looks pretty delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.